Hey everybody, it's me, Twin Turbo Win. I got some mail today. I thought I would unbox for y'all. I got a package from Jesse Olson over at Olson Custom Works. So let's see what we got. Alright, so what we got are some Phenolic spacers to go underneath my intake to reduce the temperatures between the intake and the heads. I had them on my last V2 that was a blower car. We saw a significant reduction in temperatures, about 30 degrees. So we're going to be putting these on the new car, possibly the coupe, and doing some testing to see what kind of temperature reduction we can get there. They worked really great for my last car, so I'm really excited to see them go on this next car. This is what they look like. Two of them, obviously. Really cool. So y'all keep a lookout for that. I'll post up some testing when we get time. We have a lot going on right now, but as soon as we get them tested, I'll drop that data with them as well. So I look forward to showing y'all what we got.
$140, 60, 70, 80. Hold it straight on it. Straight on it. Move. Straight on it, not off the side of it. Alright, move the heat. 280, 270, turn around. 72.